Konnichiwa!
This is our first out-of-the-country trip for 2025 and also our first work trip for the year and also our first trip ni Bebo as an engaged couple. Yes! And I'm so happy kasi pareho kaming kinuha nung brand. We're here for Happy Skin. And ang cute nung invite nila. It's like an origami. Ako nahirap buksan tong origami kasi ayoko sirain. But we have here our boarding pass, a postcard, tas andyan yung invitation. Ayun, saya. So, ang work namin ay magsa-start tomorrow. I think dinner pa, so gabi pa. So, we still have a lot of time. Ang flight natin today was around 9:20 a.m. Pero ang arrival, syempre mga 5 hours tong flight. So, mga hapon na. So, pagdating namin dun sa hotel, bababa lang talaga namin yung gamit para masulit natin yung araw. Itong hotel na pupuntahan namin, hindi pa to yung hotel na binuksa namin ng client. Kasi, chinek namin yung presyo ng hotel. Ang mahal, parang 42K. So, sabi namin, maghanap na lang muna tayo ng iba. But I can't wait to experience that hotel. I think we're gonna stay at the Tokyo edition. So, I'm excited to check in tomorrow. Ano pa ba nakalagay dito? Hi David, your trip to Tokyo with Happy Skin is just around the corner and we couldn't be more excited to spend this special time with you. Japan holds a special place in our hearts. It's where we formulated our very first skin-caring makeup product. Now we're returning to our roots, but this time with our biggest launch yet, different from the usual. Wow, see you in Tokyo. Nakalagay Happy Skin Hair. So, buhok. Oh, exciting. And guys, we're flying with Japan Airlines. Obvious na work trip to kasi hindi talaga ako magbubook ng business class kung alam kong 5 hours lang yung flight. Kung long haul yan, kaya pa. Pero kung mga 5 hours lang naman yung flight, hindi talaga ako magbubook ng business class. But thank you so much, Happy Skin, for this experience. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung food. Grabe yung food dito. Ang saya. Parang maganda siyang patikim. Wow. Of what to expect in Japan. And I can't wait kasi last year, I think naka 3 work trips ako ng January sa Japan. So, manifesting no more work trips this year and more travel trips kasi kailangan natin mag-ipon para sa wedding. Kung nakita niyo yung clips kanina ng mga bento box, ang saya. Even this one. As in, may kasamang paganto. I-demo nga natin. Ang cute to. Dadalhin ko nga to sa mga events ko pag meron ako next trip. Ayun o, parang pocket size lang siya. Grabe talaga sa Japan, no? Lahat talaga iniisip nila. Lahat may use. Even itong business class area na tuwang-tuwa si Bebo. Kasi diba usually kung may katabi ka, mag-excuse me ka pa kung di mo kilala yung katabi mo. Kung gusto mo mag-CR, umalis sa upuan mo. Pero ito, merong maliit na hallway or maliit na daanan para makadaan ka at para makapag-CR ka. Yun na dyan kadadaan. So dito yung kabilang seat. Nakaharang lang. Dito si Bebo sa harap ko. Busy siya. So let's go and I cannot wait to explore Japan. Yes! Wow, guys! Love! We're in Tokyo! Grabe! Wow, ang ganda ng view natin. Hindi pa to yung... Ang pangat ng buko.
Wow, ang ganda.
Wow, we're staying at the Blossom dito sa Hibiya, sa Ginza. Technically, tomorrow pa yung work namin. At tomorrow pa tayo lilipat dun sa hotel na binook ni client. So, we're just gonna stay here for one night. As in, ayun, 2 single beds pa yan.
Ayaw lang namin
But
magbayad.
ito ang mga maleta namin. Alam nyo naman, pag nagta-travel kami, lagi kaming may extra maleta. So, no time to waste. Okay, quick BS lang. Actually, mag-a-add lang ako ng quote tapos lalabas na tayo para masulit natin ang araw. Eh, yung dalawa ang sasakit ng legs. Nag-leg day ako kahapon. Si Angelique parang 3 days ago. Sakit pa rin ng legs niya. So, baka magbagal tayo today. Okay, we're ready. I'm just wearing the same hoodie. Tapos nag-add ako ng cap. And our coat, our long coat is from COS. And I'm still wearing my rubber shoes. And this is the far bag. Ito yung nabili namin sa concert ng XG. Ito yung merch. Guys, suot niyo yung damit ko as in head to toe.
No, this is mine.
Init na, tara na.
Init, oh my god. Akala ko ba malamig dito?
Nasa loob tayo. Grabe yung view, sobrang ganda. Guys, time check. 4:30. 4:40. Dilim na. Sarap lang maglakad-lakad.
Hindi pa masyadong malamig.
Ang sasakit ng legs. Ang babagal maglakad.
Alam naman, puro lakad sa Tokyo. Mag-leg day ka.
Mga ano kasi kami guys fitness influencer. This 2025. May naiinitan dahil day 1. Day 1 nga ba?
Love.
Okay, one of our favorite places to shop here is Kindle, Rinkan. Marami kasi dito mga second hand, di ba? Dito sa Japan. Yon, meron tayong nadaan ng store dito sa Ginza. Ganda.
Baga, bilisan mo.
Listen, sakit.
Yan.
Ikaw mauna. Wow. Strong legs. Okay, we're done with Kindle. I must say, maraming magagandang pieces. And meron kami nakitang suede bag na maganda from
Ano naman ang
Gucci.
hinahanap natin?
Yun talaga ang hinahanap namin. Pero, it's too early to say. Kasi it's just day 1. Fiancé, halikan mo ako.
Like mo.
Yes. Yeah, I like it. We're here at Rinkan. Bawal mag-video dito, so goodbye.
Sobrang gaan naman sa feeling.
Iingatan ka,
Ala.
aalagaan ka.
Thanks for carrying my coat.
Aking ina sa'yo ang aking mundo.
Hello? Ama ka na.
Kailangan pigilan ng sarili kasi tayo ikakasal. Yes! Actually, ang isa sa mga agenda namin dito ay maghanap ng wedding bands.
Yeah. Bands.
Bands.
Ay, Torigin. Ayun pala yung Torigin.
Ay, oo nga. I'm being overstimulated. Goodbye. Oh, Komeo.
Yeah, we should go.
Okay. We love Komeo. Let's go. Sorry, no videos. Guys, dito rin. Okay dito. Brand of for vintage pieces. Vintage bags.
344. Siguro mga What's our next stop?
We're gonna look for wedding bands at Cartier. Parang na-realize namin na instead na magpa-custom kami, gusto namin ng something na masusot talaga namin everyday. Gusto namin talaga Cartier.
True.
So let's see. Guys, this is really my dream watch. Manifesting. This is the Cartier Santos Medium. Ganda, no? Guys, we just came from Cartier. Super okay sa amin yung wedding band
Is locked in.
na nakita namin, no?
Super
Ganda.
bagay sa engagement.
Oo. Tapos yun sa akin, dahil ang taba ng daliri ko, nakailang labas si ate ng mga rings at di talaga kasha.
Ano pa siya? 55? No. 62.
62. Ano yung size na sa'yo?
50.
Sabi ko, sorry for my fat fingers. Ang ending, mas mahal talaga yung ring ko kasi ang kapal. Tapos yung gusto ni Bebo, may diamond. So, sold na kami doon pero hindi namin muna siya kinuha. We wanna go on a separate day para mas prepared kami. Tsaka hindi ko alam kung na-activate na ba yung credit card ko. Gusto ko muna siya itry. Oh, so now we're going to Dover Street Market. Let's go! Guys, we're here at Dover Street Market in Ginza and they have the LVX Murakami collab. Finally, it's dinner time. We're here at Gyoza Tenryo. Kumain na kami dito before, and last time we were here, sobrang haba ng pila, as in abot sa ground floor. Pero ngayon, ano ba ngayon? January 7, walang tao. Pagdating namin dun, kami na agad. More than the gyoza, we like all the other dishes here.
Winner sila lahat.
Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu.
Isa pa.
Itadakimasu. Guys, screenshot nyo na lang to. Hala. Namumukhaan nyo pa ba? Parang naubos na. Pero ito rin yung in-order namin last time. Ito lang in-add namin. That's our order. Sarap. Basta pag nakita nyo yung loft na store sa tapat, ito na yun. Sa Ginza to, 4th floor.
Paglabas siya ng elevator, may malaking gyoza.
Sarap ng dinner namin. Panalo. Guys, we're here at Loft. Sobrang saya dito. Actually, na-realize ko, halos lahat na ginagamit ko sa pang-araw-araw na buhay ko ay nabili ko. Ba't gano'n namin tenga ko doon? Ay nabili ko sa Loft. So, tayo ay magre-restock ng mga gamit. Ay, ito yung ginagamit ko. Acne concealer sa mga events. Tsaka to, oh my gosh, this is my favorite, guys. Sa dami nito, na mga na-try ko, ito ang aking paborito. Gloss Move. I mean, for my hair, Ito yung second, Air Matte. Tsaka ito, super okay din to. Parang base styling. Ito, sakto lang. Hindi ko masyado nagustuhan. But this one, I like. Ito, mararecommend ko tong Mist Styling. Tsaka, ito. Guys, ang dami kong tinry ng mga hair products. Kasi magsasara naman na time-time. May MoMA rin dito. Oh, tatlo.
Because one tonight, one tomorrow.
Babe. Ang sasakit ng mga katawan. Ay, grabe yun.
Let's do a haul. First, it's a plastic bag full of Dotor, our favorite.
This is for me.
I have 3 whites.
Hoarder. Kasi inom pa siya tonight.
I am tonight.
Ayan. Sarap. Super.
And then,
For dessert,
our favorite ice cream.
the mochi ice cream. Hinanap nga namin creme brulee, kaya lang wala eh.
I think 7-Eleven lang.
Pino.
And then, we have this mochi or like...
Have you tried that before?
No, I just saw it. So I'm like, let's try it. And then...
For breakfast tomorrow, we're still contemplating if we wanna go to Chukiji Market tomorrow. Aga kasi. Start na ng work namin tomorrow. Well, di naman siya work. Parang welcome dinner lang.
Potato chips, something salty, and then some vitamins.
Actually, parang nakikita ko nga to sa Pinas eh, or sa Bali, Bangkok, kaya lang hindi siya maasim. Sa Japan lang talaga ako nakakatikim ng maasim talaga. So, yun ang gusto ko sa mga vitamins ko.
And then the grape candy.
Eee.
Oh, the water.
Are you gonna drink your coffee?
Yeah, I will.
And guys, hindi masyado nakikita kasi naka-on yung ilaw natin. But there's a view of the Tokyo Sky Tree behind us. Well, just the tip. Or kung pumunta ka sa lobby at pumunta ka sa iba't ibang angle, may kita mo siya. But it's so nice. Yung lilipatan naming hotel, may view rin, no? Sana yung room natin may view din.
Parang mas malapit.
Talaga?
Tapos pag naglakad ka pa sa park, andun yung Tokyo.
Oh, yeah. Konnichiwa.
Ha?
Koresh.
Yun na yung mayroon ulit pouch.
Guys, ang cute no? Plancha dito sa Japan, no? Pero hindi kasi gumagana yung mga steamer ko dito. Kasi ano dito sa Japan, 110, sa Pinas, 220. Also, ito. Bumili pa naman kami sa TikTok shop nung vacuum seal. Gumagana naman siya, pati yung steamer, kaya lang sobrang hina. Like, wala siyang use din. So, sayang. Ito kaya naman, no? Pero medyo mahina lang yung ano niya, backbone. So, now we're getting ready. It's our first full day here in Tokyo. We took it light. Ay, We took it light. Medyo chill lang kami last night kasi wala na rin kami naabutan masyado na araw. Hindi rin kami masyado nakapag-content. But we were supposed to go sa Chokiji Market also today. Pero sabi namin, ito na lang tayo bago mag-check out. So, gagawin na lang namin. Maaga kami aalis dito sa hotel, mag-check out. And then, we're gonna leave our stuff dun sa bagong hotel. Tapos, explore na namin yung area. Kasi meron kami mga gustong puntahang coffee shop dun. My outfit ko for today, dire-diretso na siguro hanggang mamaya. Kasi yung dress code is brown. And also, yung na-miss ko, yung chill lang sa hotel or sa Airbnb. Tapos, nakain ng pancake. We always get the maple one. Maple and margarine. Tsaka ito. Zolter. Actually, mas masarap pala yung white. Isang sip ko pa lang nito, dumiretso na ako sa banyo. Oh my God. Okay, for today's outfit, I'm wearing Uniqlo Heat Tech. Ito yung makapal nilang Heat Tech. Pero, sakto lang yung lamig. Yes! Huwag natin batiin. Sakto lang yung lamig sa labas. Pero, nakalimutan ko yung sweater kong brown. Meron kasi ako mga tinanggal na look nung nag-e-empake ako. I guess natanggal ko yun. So, white na lang. Dapat brown to sayang. And then, kita nyo ba ako? Yung pants natin, nabili natin sa Everyday and Friends sa Bangkok. Ito rin sunod ko nung Cebu event natin for Kenzo. And then this jacket is from Public Tokyo. Nabili ko to nung may work trip ako dito for Crocs. I think last January also. March ba yun? March pala. And then gusto ko lang siya i-button all the way there. And then we're gonna wear our eyewear from Gentle Monster. Our cap from Kenzo. If you guys remember this scarf, ito yung scarf na suot ni Bebo nung nag-propose ako sa kanya. Yeah, parang ganda. And then, our Bottega Andiamo bag. I'm also wearing our Tabi boots. Siyempre, this is the land of Tabi boots. Okay. Sorry sige pa sa kwarto. Mag-check out na kasi kami. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Okay, sige. Mag-check out na kami. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! Macklemore. Ganda. Okay, so nag-book na lang kami ng Uber. 800 pesos.
Pero van.
Van. Tsaka medyo malapit lang pala. Excited na ako. Dito na tayo. Ganda ng area. Ang ganda ng area, guys.
Ay, ang cute mo. Ayan.
Arigata! Guys, ang ganda dito. Parang plantita era pa rin sila. Okay, we're checking in. Bebo! Nag-propose ka?
Hello?
Okay guys, medyo makapag-shoot na kami ng content ngayon. Magte-trade na tayo! Yay! Sana makabili kami ng Suica card kasi diba for the longest time sold out siya. And balita ko meron na ulit na available. This is our coffee stop for today. Coffee stop? Coffee spot. Guys, we're done with our coffee. Sarap nung chai tea latte. Dahil nandito tayo sa Roppongi. Oh my gosh! Magbubutagumi ulit tayo. Favorite namin dun. So let's go. Guys, may pila.
Nice and soup. Please try to have a tonkatsu with only salt, please. It's a Japanese mustard. Very spicy, so please be careful when you eat it.
Arigato.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Guys, we're back here in Butagumi, in Roppongi. Grabe, oh. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang sarap.
Grabe yung special nila ngayon.
Wow. Nagulat nga si Kuya nung sinabi namin order namin eh. Ang kinuha namin is yung Rosokatsu Lion Cutlet Watanabe Berkshire. 3,800 yan. Magkano yun? 1,400. Not bad. Okay na rin.
Yes, please. Thank you. Extra rice. My second cup.
Ganda. Sweet. Tipid-tipid muna. Hindi pala ito dance-dance revo. Dito tayo ballroom.
Bigay siya mga coins ko, mama.
まもなく2番線北千住。
Guys, nandito na kami sa Aza Buday.
Aza Buday.
Asan nga ba ang Buday? Tara, hanapin natin. But this is a nice area in Roppongi. Roppongi ba Roppongi? Full of shops. Nice. The Tokyo Tower. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda rin yung Cartier dito. Dior. At saka guys, dito rin ang Team Lab. Tapos meron ding Arabica sa baba. So, later, mag-coffee ulit tayo doon. Grabe guys, workout dito ha. Heels talaga. Isa siyang heels. Miss. You look like my wife. We got our coffee number 2. And now we're gonna walk to back to the hotel. I'm excited to see the room. Okay, we got our keys. Minute din naman yung ibang taga Happy Skin team. So now we're gonna see our room. What if Ay! Akala ko, mag-room tour ako. Uy, okay lang. Ay! May roomie pala ako dito. Ay! Uy, thank you!
Congrats!
Hey! Umalis na si Magic. Ay, grabe na yung Birkin. Kasama ba to? Wow! Ay, sakto nga sunset. Guys, this is our room. Andito pala si Bebo eh. Love? Ay. Wow! Ay, wow, may bathroom! Custom bathrobes. Thank you, Happy Skin. At meron pa silang pag-gift. Ay, ang cute na picture. Ayan, merong mga pati, drinks. What's this? Okay. Wow! Ganito pala ang mga beauty influencer. Ay, wow! Meron pa stickers. More products here from Happy Skin. Ay, mukhang ito pwede natin iuwi ah. Kasi may branding eh. Okay, very nice. May bathtub, shower. Of course, our Japanese toilet.
Bathroom mo, DG.
Uy, ito ba yung bagong product?
Yeah.
Wow, this is the product that they're launching. Mamaya, explore natin. Pero, enjoy muna natin tong sunset. Wow! What the heck? May view yung ano. Wow, there's the Tokyo Sky Tree! Grabe. Uy, ang ganda ng view. Wow. guys, we still have mga 2 hours before our event or dinner. Ang cute na mga plancha dito. Ang lilit. Also, thank you so much Happy Skin for this robe. Ang cute. May DG. Paplanchahin natin to. Itong coat ni Bebo for tomorrow. Dito ka daw i-plancha sa floor kasi didikit sa bed. Ang laki oh. This small thing against this coat. Para naman ako naglalampaso sa angle na to. Okay, we're ready for our welcome dinner. Inulit ko na lang yung outfit ko. Tinanggal ko na lang yung cap ko tsaka scarf. How about you, Nosferatu?
Still with my coat.
Hey. But yung dinner natin dito lang naman sa hotel. Cheers! Cheers! Madam, oh.
Ito, malapit na.
Grabe naman kayo dyan. Parang nasa Star City lang, oh.
Hindi kami nilalat eh.
Wow.
Din kami.
Wow. How many layers?
Ako?
Wow. Look. Oh! Kala ko, balat na. Miss Ellen, Miss Ellen. Hi. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video dun sa dinner. Kasi chumichika lang lahat. But we're now here at Family Mart. Bili muna kami ng food because we have a full day tomorrow.
Yes,
ay, full day. Nagulat na ako. Hi guys, we're back in the room. Actually very chill lang yung parang welcome dinner lang siya. It's more of wala lang, catch up, usap lang, wala pa talagang work. Tomorrow pa talaga ang start ng work natin. And then after that, nag-family mart na lang kami nila Ray, nila Magic, nila Ellen, nila Miggy. And I just finished with my shower. Ito yung ginamit ko today. Ito yung ila-launch ng Happy Skin. Meron na silang, ano tawag? Happy Scalp? Happy Skin Hair, right?
Yeah.
Happy Scalp? But ito yung tinry ko. Volume and Bouncy. Volumizing shampoo. It has bergamot, jasmine. Bakit pronunciation ko? Bergamot, jasmine, cedarwood. Bango. Also this one for the conditioner. Ayan. So, ang cool. Tingnan mo yung packaging nila. Twist mo lang siya. Tapos ganun. Cool! Tomorrow ito itatry ko sa ating event. Tomorrow ang start na event natin. Ay! Or wag muna to. Ito na lang ulit. Kasi ito, soft and straight. Actually, ang bango. Or ito, hindi ko pa na-try ito isa. Ito naman, citrus and basil. Ay, yung may mga top notes is citrus and basil. Lily yung mid. And then base is oak moss. Okay, tomorrow it's gonna be a full day. I think gigising kami ni Bebo na. Where's tayo, love? 9 a.m. tomorrow. Pero tignan natin, baka sana mas magising pa tayo na mas maaga para makapag-shoot pa tayo ng content before we head out. So, good night, guys! Good morning, guys! Wow, main character. Pagbaba, ito lang. Ito na agad yung Family Mart. Okay, next stop, Starbucks. Gusto daw ni Bebo ng coffee. Hi guys, we're back in the room. Got some coffee for me and Bebo. And we got our pancakes, maple and margarine. Yeah, I went to the other one. My favorite vitamins, Kami Chiki, and itong grilled salmon onigiri. I think meron pa tayong mga 1 hour. 1 hour na lang ba? Okay, so kain na. Guys, we're getting ready for our event. So, ang call time natin is at 9 a.m. Indulge in a curated breakfast while chatting with hair experts at Noble One Cafe. 11 a.m. Craft your own bespoke happy skin hair fragrance at Liberta Perfume Nakameguro. 1 to 3, savor an exquisite omakase lunch at Udatsu Sushi, Meguro City, where every bite is a journey through Japanese culinary artistry. 4 to 5, unwind with a luxurious scalp spa session. Perfect for relaxing after a delicious meal. 5 to 8, your time to explore Tokyo streets, shop treasures, and take it all in. Wow. 8 p.m. meron tayong dinner with the team. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing. Ano lang, beige na turtleneck. Tapos yung pants natin is from Victor, of course. And then we're gonna wear our new shoes from Bebo. This is from Toga Virilis. Dati nakita ko na tong brand na to sa Tokyo. Kaya lang parang sabi ko, masyado siyang loud for me. Tapos nung nahanap to ni Bebo for me, nagandahan ako. I think in-order niya to sa Essence. I think this is a Japanese brand, right? Ganda oh. And wala pa akong gantong shoes. Like gantong color or gantong mga details. So this is really perfect for events. Like today, ang dress code kasi natin is beige, blue, tsaka salmon pink. So later I'll just add a blue jacket. Tsaka parang bag na beige din. So, okay, let's go! Guys, sa akin din. Pwede sabihin natin, konnichiwa! Konnichiwa!
Kayo na feel natin. Dapat nagpapabayad kayo kay Dio.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
The best thing happened to me last year was when I went to Philippines. Last year I got this 3 dot. Oh. This kind of changed my life. And after that, I won the Japan Hairdresser of the Year.
Wow. It's really because they believe in your brand. What does your brand stand for?
The number of the employee is 2,200. It's a big difference.
The first one is introduction to the perfume. Do not touch the paper to your nose. It remains all day. Thank you.
It remains all day.
Basil is also familiar with Italian food, pasta.
Guys, we're here at
Liberta.
we're gonna make our own perfume. So, yung kalahati, volume and bouncy. Yung kalahati, soft and straight. So, what's your... Vlog ko.
Jasmine.
What's your favorite note?
I love the bergamot, pero it's interesting to see kung...
I like this. I'm a jasmine.
Jasmine. So, yung mga perfume mo, gusto mo mga floral. Ako, anything with musk, I like.
100.
100, yeah.
So it becomes 100 times now.
Ito ba?
Lamig din. Cheers!
Cheers all the way.
Bottoms up.
Thumbs up.
4, 2, and 3. Oh, me? Yeah!
May pa-omakase. Hole in the wall.
Bakit pang
Horror house.
Pang right si sound effects mo?
Horror house.
Uy, walang manggugulat ah.
And we're gonna get the yardsticks.
Guys, dito tayo magla-lunch.
Oh my goodness, I don't know.
Udatsu.
Udatsu.
Udatsu. And 10-seater lang siya. And omakase style siya. So, I'm so excited. Grabe. What an experience. Look at this. Ang ganda. Guys, next on our agenda is papa-heads pa tayo. Grabe, busog na busog pa ako from the lunch. Yay! Oh, wow! Thank you! Ito na yung perfume.
Yeah, ito na yung perfume. So inside is the shampoo and the
Wow!
perfume. And then this one is actually, we have a hairbrush.
Oh, wow!
Wow! So really juice na ang kwenta.
Guys, we're done with our hair spa. Hair spa nga ba o head spa? Grabe yun. Scalp. Oh, gabi na. But my hair is so bouncy. Guys, tapos na ang ating work with Happy Skin. Mamaya meron tayong dinner with them. Pero tapos na yung mga activities natin. So now, where are we going?
Going to Cartier.
And we're gonna buy our
Wedding ring.
Let's go! Guys, we're here at Ginza 6 and we got the rings. Pwede kayo mag-request na ilagay siya sa white paper bag para hindi siya matakaw sa mata. So now we're here at Ginza 6. Ang cute to. Ganda. May free time lang kami before our dinner reservation with the whole Happy Skin team. So, yun lang talaga ang gusto namin gawin. Bilhin na yung ring. Ay, wow. Guys, we're done for the day.
And it's 12:30.
It's 12:30. Ang sarap ng dinner namin. Tsaka bonding with everyone and saya. And now, ganap kami ng creme brulee na sikat ngayon sa TikTok. At available lang siya sa 7-Eleven, sa Family Mart. Wala.
Ang lamig! Malamig na yung...
Parang naman ako nasa Session Road nito. Parang nasa Baguio lang. Wow! Guys, we're back in the room. I got some creme brulee ice cream.
And guess what? Kailangan kita na naman yung Tokyo Tower.
Ay, patay natin ilaw.
Hey! Wala tayo.
White macadamia, pino, and some mochi ice cream. Ganun, good night na.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
See you tomorrow, guys! Konnichiwa sa inyong tanan! David Gison Imnida! It's our last day here sa Tokyo edition. I'm gonna miss this hotel so much! And just so fun, and ang saya lang with everyone. And ngayon ay meron tayong shoot malapit sa Tokyo Tower. I think we're going to Shiba Park. So that is the agenda before we check out. Yung iba ay uuwi na sa Pinas. Yung iba ay mag-extend. Sila Lurge, sila Tony, siya, nag-extend sila. Nag-rebook sila ng flight. Sila Ray magfu-Fuji. As campers, as nature lovers. Kami ni Bebo. Ano pa nga ba? Wala tayong character development. Shopping, coffee shop, city boys. City boys. City boy. City boy and city girls. So, hopefully next time we can get to visit different parts of Japan. Like last time, di ba tayo? Kyoto, Osaka. Sana next time ibang ano naman. Siguro mga province or medyo nature. Let's see. But wala na akong outfit. Color white kasi yung dress code for today. So, inulit ko na lang yung turtleneck ko, tsaka yung pants, tsaka yung bag. Okay na to. And then, pagbalik natin, i-unbox natin tong wedding bands natin. Okay, let's go. Guys, we're here at Shiba Park. Oh, grabe yung Tokyo Tower. So, shoot muna kami with the team. Okay, so we're here at Shiba Park. Grabe ang ganda dito. At nakakatawa kasi ako yung balot na balot. Yung mga girls ay hubadera. Like, aninipis sa suot. What? Sad. Parang masasipangs ako. Gusto ko pa mag-extend. Well, mag-extend naman kami ni Bebo, pero syempre with the team. Kasi usually pag nagta-travel kami ni Angelique, kami dalawa lang. Last year lang talaga namin ginawa with our friends. And hopefully with my high school friends naman sana this year. Pero nag-rebrand na ako, hindi na ako umiinom. Chill na ako ngayon. Yes. Then, di tayo sinabihan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday! Birthday na ni Chris! Birthday na ni Chris! Okay guys, so it's time to check out. We're gonna transfer to an Airbnb, but we had so much fun with Happy Skin and everyone in this trip. So thank you so much again, Happy Skin, for this experience. So, end na po natin yung vlog dito kasi gagawa tayo ng part 2. Arigato! Ano ba yung babay sa Japanese? Sayonara! Tama ba?